Now let's talk about how to use an algebraic method for solving for perimeter. We want to find the perimeter of the figure below, given that all angles are right. The first thing I'm going to do here is label the side so that I know what I'm talking about. I'm going to start by labeling the side that has a 6 as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Now, if I've labeled all of my sides, I now know which ones I'm talking about for each area. If I'm looking at my top section here, I can see pretty clearly that B is the same thing as H, F, and D all put together. None of them overlap. They're all this horizontal line, and they're just separated by how far away from B they are. But when you add them all together, they're going to equal B. So B equals H plus F plus D. Now, if I look at my vertical lines, I can see that A plus E is going to be the same thing as G plus C. If I add them together, they both have the same amount that overlap, so they're going to be equal when I add them together. So A plus E equals G plus C. So that means that for my entire perimeter, I would want to add everything together. But I can actually just say 2B instead of adding B plus H plus F plus D plus 2A plus E instead of saying A plus E plus G plus C. And that would equal my perimeter. Now, since I know what B is, I can plug that in. So now I have 2 times 10. And I'm going to add to that 2 times 6 plus 8. And that's still going to equal my perimeter. And I can even simplify this further. Since I'm multiplying each of my sets of parentheses by 2, I can pull them right out and say 2 times 10 plus 6 plus 8 will equal my perimeter. And 10 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 2 times 24, which equals 48. So my perimeter for the entire figure is going to be 48.